We are commercializing an electrolytic technology to treat raw wastewater, and it is significant because it generates a highly oxidative environment that breaks down contaminants very quickly. And this is significant because conventional approaches are 8 hours and we achieve treatment in 15 minutes. The outputs from the technology are clean water that can go into a surface water body like a river or a lake. And our other output is hydrogen and oxygen gas, which has benefit either as a source of energy for the plant or we can sell as an industrial gas. This is also significant because conventional treatment plants are greenhouse gas emitters. They emit things like methane, nitrous oxides. Our plants will actually not emit greenhouse gases, so they could potentially have carbon credits to trade. This technology is really needed now for a number of reasons. High-density urban areas like the megacities in the world don't have real estate available for large treatment plants. The fast treatment time means our plants will have a much smaller footprint and will have lower capital costs. So we can put treatment plants in small urban settings. We can expand existing plants that need to increase capacity on existing footprints. Orangeville is a good example of a plant that was built in the early part of the 1900s that was outside of town when it was initially built, but now it's surrounded by a subdivision. So in order to grow the city, they need additional treatment. They'd actually have to build another plant. Whereas our technology with its small footprint can allow expansion of an existing plant on its present footprint. The province of Ontario has been very helpful to us. We have a partner in the University of Toronto. They've been working with us for the past 4 years to help accelerate our product development. That has been funded by the Ontario Centres of Excellence during that time, and that's helped us immensely because that's been a low-cost way for us to get the support we need technically. We've also received funding or are going to receive funding from the Ontario Ministry of Innovation Demonstration Fund. And again, that's funding that we didn't have to go out to the private sector to raise. So that's helped accelerate the company. I think that Ontario is a good place for Xogen to be located for a number of reasons. Access to academic institutions for research and development assistance that we need. Access to human talent from the various colleges and universities. Access to the industrial base because we are now testing industrial wastewaters, and Ontario has the largest industrial base in Canada, so we're close to our market. And proximity to the United States, of course, as another potential market for these different applications makes Ontario a good place to be. It's been said that water is the new oil, and I think that that's probably true. There has also been talk about having, in addition to carbon credits trading, that we will have water credits trading. So there's a lot of parts of the world that have very dirty water, like China, the former Soviet Union, where groundwater sources are contaminated from industrial processes. So there is a possibility to offset contamination with cleaning up water somewhere else. So I think this is definitely something on the horizon. Globally, it's a great time to be in the water business. It's a huge addressable market. The growth of the market outstrips most countries' GDP. Aging infrastructure and developing nations that are building infrastructure are making a low-cost solution very attractive, and it will lower the barriers to entry for our technology. We have potential customers saying to us, how soon can you deliver product and how much? And I think the biggest challenge for Xogen will be, how do we meet demand globally?